asset under construction configuration. So, okay, can you just put the title as asset under construction configuration, asset under construction configuration process, configuration process. Okay, see, asset under construction configuration process means what? So we will, yeah, can you write one point? Can you write one point based on the based on the based on the asset under construction class? Okay, you will going to have asset under asset main asset classes and asset under construction classes, right? Based on the asset under construction classes, we will going to create. We will going to create. We will going to create asset under construction. Asset under construction. We will going to create asset. Okay, we will going to create asset. Okay, under this asset under construction. Then what we need to do is second point is in asset under construction. In asset under construction. In asset under construction, we will not going to calculate. We will not going to calculate depreciation. Why? Because asset under construction is a capital work in progress. Asset, we will not going to calculate depreciation. Why? Because asset under construction is a capital work in progress. Asset under construction. Asset under construction is a capital work in progress. Capital work in progress. Okay, capital work in progress. Then see, the most important thing in this asset under construction is third point, how we can transfer this asset under construction. Okay, how we can transfer this asset under constructions to the main asset. Okay, to the main asset. How we can transfer? No. How we can transfer the asset under construction? How we can transfer the asset under construction to the main asset? Okay, and whatever the balances construction to the main asset, and whatever the balances that are there in the asset under constructions, whatever the balances that are there in the asset under constructions, there in the asset under construction. Okay, asset under construction, those balances are completely moved to the main asset. Those balances are completely moved to the main asset. Moved to the main asset. Okay, and all these procedure will be seen under the transaction code of AW01N. All these procedure will be seen under the transaction code of AW01N. Under the transaction code of AW01N. So our fourth point is yes, fourth point here is okay. Can you take the example of asset under construction machinery? Okay, oil refinery machinery. It is in a under process. Example is AUC. Example is AUC. Yes, can you write down the point? Yes. Okay, so that point is oil refinery machinery work in progress. Oil refinery machinery work in progress. Okay, and it is not a complete fixed assets. Okay, so it is in a asset under construction mode, and that is in a processing mode, and we are building this plant and machinery completely. Okay, and it is not a complete asset. Sorry, it is not a complete fixed asset. Okay, and second point, the B point is here in this thing, we will going to have in this thing, we will going to have, see, once you purchase the materials and all for asset under constructions and all, you will going to have freight charges, right? B point is we will going to have, B point is we will going to have freight charges. We will going to have freight charges. We will going to have freight charges, comma, comma, trading, trading charges, comma, trading charges, trading charges, trading charges, comma, what we can say, installation charges, installation charges, installation charges. Okay, okay. Then next point, C point is, C point is okay. Then C point is here. Once we are done with each and everything, once we are done with each and everything, done with each and everything, this asset under construction is in a, is in a, is in a usage mode. This asset under construction is in a usage mode. Okay, this asset under construction is in a usage mode. This asset under construction is in a usage mode. Okay, then D point is, then D point is, D point is we will going to see, we will going to see settlement of asset under construction, settlement of asset under construction, settlement of asset under construction, asset under construction items, line items, we can call it as a line items, to the new asset, that we can call it as a main fixed asset. Line items to the new asset, to the new asset. Okay, you got the point? To the new asset. Okay, so now what we need to do is we will going to see the asset under construction uh, settlement to the particular new asset, right? So, so what are those steps? What are those steps? Can you write the steps? So we need to define settlement profile. Okay, write down the steps. You can just put the configuration steps here. First point is uh, configuration steps. Configuration steps. Okay, remove above steps. Okay. And the first configuration step here is for the asset under construction settlement process to the new asset and all. The first point is define settlement profile. Define settlement profile. Define settlement profile. Second point is assign settlement profile to company code. Second point is assign settlement profile to, assign a settlement profile to company code. Assign settlement profile to company code. Then third point is maintain number ranges for settlement documents. Maintain number ranges for settlement documents. Okay, and maintain number ranges for settlement documents. Okay, so I think okay. Then next point is creation of asset under construction master data using transaction code AS01. Using transaction code. Okay, right. So the first here, the settlement profile using transaction code is OK07. Okay. Okay, is 07, and we will going to see the path also. Okay, so can you go to the SAP and open the path? Okay, see, simple process. You no need to take any risk categories and all. Okay, SPRO, reference IMG, SPRO, reference IMG, and financial accounting, not new, only financial accounting, financial accounting. Okay, then asset accounting, asset accounting. The next one is transactions, transactions. The next one is the capitalization of asset under construction, capitalization of asset under construction. Okay, and define or assign settlement. Yes, define or assign settlement profiles. Define or assign settlement profiles. Define or assign. Yeah, can you double click on this define settlement profile? See here, we will going to follow the main thing that is what we can say, a settlement asset under construction. Okay, I think we will going to have. Can you come down? We will going to have one thing, Pawan, here. Settlement. AI is the settlement assets under construction. This is a standard one. Everyone will follow this standard thing only. Okay. So that is very, very important. Can you double click on this thing? Can you double click on this AI? Okay. Now you can just observe yourself to be settled in a full mode. And the GL account, sorry, here in the fixed assets, settlement required is the main thing. Okay, valid receivers in the settlement, fixed asset settlement required is the main thing. Then whatever the controlling areas that we have, we need to allocate all these things to the particular asset under constructions. Why? Because we will going to follow the profit and loss accounts statements and all. We will going to analyze the profit analysis. Okay, profitability analysis we can call it as. Okay, so that is the main important thing that we have in this each and everything. And whatever the default objective type that we have, that is a fixed assets and all. And what we need to do is, this is a 100% validation. Okay, this is a 100% validation. And can you remove this what we can say, asset uh, sorry, amount settlements and all. Can you remove the amount settlements and give equivalence numbers? Okay, 100% settlement validation, 100% and equivalence numbers, so that we can give it. Okay, I think these things are mandatory, and you can just observe yourself. Other parameters are document type is AA, and maximum number of distributions rules are 999, and residency items is a months. Okay, if we it should be in a 12 months period only. Okay, all of you. So if it is a 10 months, I mean 10 periods, if it is in a 6 periods and all, okay, just to change this to the residence time, that is 12 months, standard times that we have. Okay, that is main important. The next, what we need to do is, so we will going to follow this asset settlement process profile. Okay, can you go to the notepad, Pawan? So, uh, and put one brackets. Here, define settlement profile only after the transaction code OK 07. Okay, put profile. Settlement profile is standard thing. Settlement profile. Or else remove the settlement and give standard settlement profile, that is AI. Standard settlement profile, that is AI. Settlement asset under construction. Standard settlement profile, AI. Capital A, capital I. Capital A, capital I. Okay. So give hyphen and write down the description, that is settlement asset under construction. Settlement asset under construction. Okay. Okay. Good. Settlement under construction. Okay, right. Then go to the SAP system, Pawan. Go to the SAP system and come back. Not this thing. Okay, come back. Come back. Come back. No issue. One step back. And here you will going to have what is the thing? Come back. No need to give anything. Sorry. Go to the save button and save it first of all. Double click on this thing. Go to the save button and save it. Good. So can you come back one step back? Okay. Now what we need to do is assign settlement profile to company code. So that is your company code, right? Okay. Can you go to the double click on this thing? Okay. Can you go to the position? Yes. Give your company code and give the settlement profile. That is AI. Capital A and I. Okay. Go to the save button and save it. Yes. Okay, everyone will follow this asset under construction standard settlement profiles only. Okay, can you come back? Yes. What is the next configuration step that we have? Come back. Close this thing. Maintain number ranges for settlement document. Yes. Can you go to the same user interface, and here maintain number ranges for documents for line item settlements. Okay, and maintain number ranges for okay, controlling area is also there, right? Give me 1 second. Okay, now then, yes, go to the maintain number ranges for document for line items. Phone, execute this thing. So here, changes number ranges for settlement document. Okay, second, double click on this thing. Okay, can you go to the groups? Same thing, same like controlling areas. Okay, no, come back. One step back. Okay, can you go to the groups, Pawan? Groups. Why it is coming like this? Okay. Okay, right. What we need to do is not assign documents. We will going to see it. Do we have our company code? One that is kin or anything. Come down. You will going to find out. Come down. There is no any groups, right? And we have to create the one controlling area for the asset under construction settlement process and all. Okay, without creating all these things. We don't have anything, right? I think so. And we have to assign the company code to the company, right? We have to assign Pawan, okay, to our controlling areas and all. Okay, we don't have controlling areas, right? Till now, I think so.
We don't have. We have to create.
Yeah, okay. We have to create the controlling area for this settlement process and all. Okay. Then what we need to do is, mm, give me 1 second. Okay, you do one thing, Pawan. Can you go to the transaction code OKKP? Hmm. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries, no issue. Okay, can you take out the company code? I mean, controlling area is equal to company code. Same thing, KIND. Hmm. Hmm. No issue. And give the name as controlling area for kind. Okay. Uh, yes, controlling area same as company code. Yes, and the currency type is open the currency type 10, I think so. Take out the company code and give the currency as INR. Okay, all this come into the picture. And can you give cost center standard hierarchy as KIND underscore? Good. I think it is already there. No, right? Okay, no issue. Okay, no issue. Click on the enter. Enter. Click on the enter. Enter. Okay. Go to the save button and save it. Yes. And yes, go to the activate components or else go to the assignments of company codes. First of all, go to the assignments of company codes. Yes. Go to the new entries and give company code. Go to the new entries. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and go to the active components controlling areas. Indicators. Go to the new entries and give fiscal year as 2022. Cost center is active. Active. Order management is active. That is FI2MM. Check out the active button. No issue. Component active and profit analysis also it is in a not active mode. Okay, no issue. Can you give here profit center accounting? Okay, can you click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. No, sorry, asset accounting active type. Click mark on asset accounting active type. No issue. Data was saved. Come back. No issue. Okay, come back. Back. Okay, so 2022 is at there, and the next one is what we need to do is yes, go to that screen. Go to that screen. SPRO reference IMG. Give /n. SPRO reference IMG. SPRO reference IMG. Financial accounting. Asset accounting. The next one is transactions. 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 And then next one is what is the thing? Okay, give me 1 second. I will going to see the path. So financial accounting. Give me 1 second, Pawan. Maintain number ranges for the particular things. Okay, got it. Okay, then next one is here. What we need to do is, can you go to the change maintain number ranges for controlling documents? Okay, maintain number ranges for controlling documents. Controlling area, go to the groups. Groups. First, we need to go to the groups. Take out the kin and go to the element group. Element group. Sorry, go to the create option first of all. Go to the create option. Give the group as controlling area group. Controlling area group. Controlling area group. Can you give the from number is 1 to 100? 100. Click on the enter. No need to give like this. Can you give from number is 1 to 100? Go to the save button and save it. No need to click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, 0, 1 is our number range. Okay, come back. Yes, come back. What we need to do is go to the element group, assign element group, select an element. Select this element, go to the element group. Maintain. Why it is showing like this? Go to the maintain option. Okay, select group. Okay, you do one thing. Go up on. No. Go up. I will give you the solution for this. Can you take out the CYN? CYN. No. CYN. Go to the element group. Okay, double click on this kin. Come down. Continue. Okay, come down. So we will going to see the things, whether it is assigned or not. Okay, so it is assigned. Can you go to the save button and save it? Can you go to the save button and save it? Come back, Pawan. Come back. See, if you want to change it and everything and all, come back. I mean, if the company code is not assigned to the particular COIN is not assigned to the particular company code and all, we need to change the number ranges for settlement documents and all. Okay, can you double click on this thing? Okay, double click on this thing. Go to the groups. Go to the groups, and we will going to see. Come down, complete down. Okay, take out this thing and go to the element group. Okay. Okay, can you take out the standard document? Take out that standard document. Okay, go to the continue option. Okay, can you come down? Down, complete down. Okay, right. Go up. Automatically we will. Yes, kind is there. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and I think we have done with these things. Okay, then next one is okay. The next one is creation of this capital work in progress, that is asset under construction. Right? Can you go to the transaction code AS01? Okay, give /n and go to the transaction code AS01. Okay, so Pawan, we will going to write 1 points. మనం ఒక పాయింట్స్ రాసుకుందాం. ఎందుకు అని అంటే అసెట్ అండర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ లో కంట్రోలింగ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకు అని అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ అనాలిసిస్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి సో బిఫోర్ వి క్రియేట్ a point is before we create AUC, make sure that company code is assigned to the particular controlling area. Okay, make sure that company code is assigned to the particular controlling area. Okay, no issue. Can you go to the transaction code AS01? We will going to create one asset under construction asset master. Okay, take out the class as asset under construction. Click on the enter. Take out the asset under construction. No. First thing. Okay, that is asset under construction only class we have created, right? Okay, take out that one. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Now you can just give description as what is the description that we want to give? Asset under construction, oil refinery machinery. Asset under construction, oil refinery machinery. Okay, asset under construction, oil refinery machinery. Okay, then next step. Copy this thing and paste it in the asset under construction main number text. Capitalization date is 01.11.2022. Okay, see here in the depreciation areas for this asset under construction. Okay, make sure that we don't have any depreciation calculation. Can you go to the drop down option, Pawan? We will going to take, okay, no depreciation. Okay, no depreciation and no asset. Go up. No, go up. Take 0000. No depreciation and no interest. Can you click on the enter? Go to the save button and save it. Yes. Can you go to the save button and save it? Okay. And write on the asset. What is the asset here? 101. Go up. Main asset is asset under construction. Asset is put the brackets 101. Okay, good. The next is okay. Can you go to the transaction code F-90, Pawan? Yes. Yeah. Here you can just write down the next point is acquisition from sorry, asset acquisition from vendor. Asset acquisition from vendor using transaction code F-90. Okay, can you go to the transaction code F-90? Go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Yes, give the date as 01.11.2022. Take out the same vendor, no issue. Take out the vendor. Okay, click on the enter. Document header text is asset under construction procurement. Asset under construction procurement. No issue. Click on the enter. Give the amount. Give the amount. So and the next one is give the posting key as a 70 and take out the new asset, that is asset under construction asset 70, and the next one is account is take out the new asset. Give the transaction type and click on the enter and go to the give amount as star. And have you given the transaction type? No, right, Pawan? Have you given the transaction type? Yes. Okay, good. And the text as plus. Text as plus. Click on the enter. Go to the document simulate option. Go to the save button and save it. Okay. Nice. So this document was posted, right? Can you go to the document display option? The document. Okay. Now, yes, this one was posted. Can you go to the transaction code AW01? Go to the transaction code AW01N. Uh, AW01N. Okay, now you can just observe yourself with these three things. Okay, see, there is no any planned depreciations for the, I mean, each and everything. Okay, you got the point? So that is the main important thing that we are discussing. Okay, so whatever the depreciations values that we have for the asset under construction. Okay, we don't have depreciation values first of all. Okay, then that should be transferred to the some fixed assets or main assets. Okay, that is the main important thing right now we have. Okay, all of you. Right. So then next, Pawan, what we need to do here is, mm, okay. The next one is, do we have any any freight charges or any freight charges we have included, right? Do we have any freight charges and all? Can you go to the uh, okay? Can you go to the FS00 transaction code? If we don't have any freight charges and all, okay, freight charges is there, right? Under this current liabilities and all. Go to the control data. Create our bank interest. Uh, Only by create our bank interest. Go to the create our bank interest. Uh, okay, right, right, no issue. Can you give slash n? Can you give slash n and go to the transaction code EFB? What is the transaction code that we have? EFB 01. Go to the transaction code FB01. Okay. See, we have purchased the asset on the date of 01.11.2022. Okay, on the date of 03.11.2022, we will going to have freight charges and all. Okay, once we get the goods and all. Okay, so in this thing, you can just change the posting date as 03.11.2020. Okay, and debit asset, take out the yes 03.11.2022 also. Yeah, uh, change the document date and posting date 03.11.2022. Okay, and posting date is 03.11.2022. Mm. And the document header text is freight charges. Document header text is freight charges for transportations and all. Okay, in this thing here, posting key is 70 and debit the asset. What is the asset? Posting key is a 70. Okay, and take out the asset, new asset that you have created, that is asset under construction. In the transaction type, you can just take 100, click on the enter, enter. Okay, a amount, how much amount, that is 1000 rupees is the freight charges, you can just give. And okay, and the next one is text as freight charges. And the next one is posting key. Okay, what we need to do is uh, okay, can you take out the 50? Can you take out the 50 posting key as? Okay, can you take out the 50? And what is the thing that we have? All these things are coming into the pictures on the main asset, right? Okay, that is cash in hand account. and that is in a bank account, right? 50 transportation charges in. Okay. Okay, you do one thing, Pawan. Can you take out the what is the thing? Bank account, any bank account. Take out any bank account. Okay, no issue. Go to the see. When it comes to the asset and the constructions and all, when we have the installation process and all transportation process and all, okay, main asset account debtor to the some cash in hand account creditor, and also I mean asset under construction account debtor to the cash in hand or bank account creditor. Okay, these things are first of all mandatory. Okay, you have to have clear cut picture on this thing. Can you click on the enter? Enter. Okay, now it is giving rules for posting. Okay, change this thing and all. We are getting all these errors. Hmm. Go to the another session and go to the FS 00. FS 00. Uh, what is the thing? 200 100 is for the Z001 only, right? Go to the position. Go to the position. No issue. Go to the position. Here take out your field status variant. Then go to the field status groups. Double click on Z001 and can you take out the general data and go to the OB41 transaction code and take out the 50. We will going to see it. Take out the general data. Okay, everything is fine. Come back. Come back and check with the additional account assignments. Go to that screen. Come back. Check with this additional account assignment. Okay, everything is fine. Come back. Go to the payment transactions and material management. Okay, and go to that SAP screen. Come back. Material management. Okay, come back and go to the payment transactions. Payment transactions. Okay, due date, value date option entry. Come back. Go to the payment transactions. Make it this one as a. Okay, no issue. Everything is fine, right? Under the OPC4. Okay, good. Come back. No issue. Come back and go to the asset accounting. It is in a required entry and go to that. Go to that asset accounting. I think it is in a suppressed mode. Okay, make it as a required one. Go to the save button and save it. And check with the taxes. Okay, check with taxes. Right. Come back and go to this. Check with taxes. Okay, no issue. Can you give slash n? Can you give slash n? Slash n. Go to that SAP screen. Remove this all these screens. Now you can just click on the enter. Okay, you do one thing. Give slash n and go to the transaction code FB01. Take out the 70 posting key and that is the asset. 101 is the asset. Transaction type is 100. Okay, no issue. And give the amount as star and the text as this. Have you taken the posting key 50? And okay. No, no, no. No. This is not a retirement. It is just a GL account, transportation charges and freight charges. Why it is asking? No asset selected. So you do one thing, Pawan. Can you go to the create new sessions and all? Go to the create new session. Go to the OBC4 transaction code. So OBC4 transaction code. Huh. Go to the position and give your field status variant. Select this thing and go to the field status groups and double click on this Z001 and yes. Go to the asset account and make it as a suppressant. Go to the save button and save it. And go to the transaction code OB41 and go to the posting keys. Go to the posting keys. That is 50. Credit entry and maybe the next one is asset account and make it as a suppress option. Go to the save button and save it. Then next thing here is /n. Okay, then next one is or else give /n. Go to the again transaction code FB01. Give the document date 03. Okay, and type is essay document and period is 8. Document header text is freight charges. Okay. I'm just taking the freight charges only. If you want, you can just also take the installation charges and all. Installation charges and all. Okay, that is your choice. Take out the 50. Okay, and no need to give any transaction types and all. Click on the enter. Give the amount as a star and the text as place. Click on the enter. Enter. Okay, now it is fine, right? Go to the document simulate option. Document simulate option. Now we will going to check with this asset. Go to the save button and save it, and go to the AW01N transaction code. Okay, whether all these transactions are posted in this asset or not. Okay, now you can just come down. Come down. Can you go to the planned values? Can you go to the planned values, Pawan? Can you come down? Down. Now you can just observe yourself. So 1000 for the installation process and also freight charges and all. You got the point? Okay, and with the help of this 1000 and the amount has been changed to the 31,000 rupees. Okay, can you give /n here? And this is the asset under construction procurement process and whatever the installation charges for the particular assets and all. And already we have given all these things and all, right? So can you give /n? And I will going to stop this recording. Okay. So if it is in a lengthy mode, you will not going to get some more in I mean some more interest to understand each and everything. So I'm just stopping this record here. We will going to see in the next video, we will going to see asset under construction settlement process to the main asset.